I can't sneeze. Oh, I'm allergic to bullshit and fakeness, so I'm basically allergic to myself. And I can't wait for you guys to be a part of this journey. Let me know if there's any other videos you want. The perfume's making me sneeze.
Similar to the other ones, it's ribbed at the top, really cute. I just changed directions and hope that it white balances. I guess these. Okay, these are already kind of a little bit different than the other. What?
Excuse me.
This is their bright future. This is their bright future gel.